Welcome, you pieces of garbage. We're gonna play this shit. Never mind, I can't do it. I don't want your mama pussy. Gotta haunt mama, send her my way. Cause I want that. Oh shit. Fuck bullshit, bitch. Fuck my life. I fucking hate. I'm gonna fuck your mama in the ass. Hello. Welcome to this party. Yeah, I wanna touch you. I just wanna touch you. I don't fucking know that someone's gonna be in here. Nope. Surprise, motherfuckers. I'm American. That means your mamas better be running. Holy shit, that's fast. And I'm gonna better. Hasn't even been time yet. And I'm a fucking zombie, ain't I? Looking at this, I don't have the fucking black gloves. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. Yeah. I'm gonna fucking whip your mama's ass. I'm gonna stick my whole hand over there, you bitch. Oh, I'm gonna come in a... I'll be back. I bet it was fucking you, wasn't it, you piece of fucking shit up. Fucking... Take that asshole. Why the fuck did I have to spawn right next to the bitch? Hey, I see some good old play. Bitch. I'll be back. You ain't gonna kill this. And you bullshit motherfuckers. Give me a fucking gun. Why am I always the first motherfucker to get killed? Let me go for this guy. You piece of shit. Fucking murder you. Fucking murder all you pieces of trash. All you are white garbage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, did you think it's gonna be easy? I guess it's gonna be easy. Because I just fucking failed to... You sack of shit. Please tell me there's more fucking... Why'd the fucking last round go like fucking... like Speedy Gun fucking Lawless? This game's fun as hell though. Where the fuck do you go? I'll be back. And I'll come in your mama. I'm your real daddy, boy. I can prove it too. Ask your mom who's the first person to fuck her. Fucking gonna fly like Speedy Gonzalez, motherfucker. Holy shit. Fuck. I could've got up there so fucking fast. So, have we not won? Like, one bitch left. He gonna be in here, ain't he? Nope. Wait, let me do this. All you gotta do is just... Fuck. Almost got it, you guys. Bitch, that's why it's so fucking hard. Fuck you, bitch. Now give me my gun. You won't fucking dare. Don't you fucking dare spawn me next to a fucking zombie. Well, I'm gonna be a fucking zombie again, ain't I? Fucking right, nigga. Don't fucking come to me, bitch. I'm gonna fucking just stay in here. You pieces of shit, all I'm gonna do is just fuck. Well guys, looks like we get to talk. Because fuck that. Holy shit, like half the whole fucking people are zombies. There's an easy way to do it. Fuck. That bullshit. Who am I going for after all? There's one up there. What are the other ones? Fuck. I'll fuck your mom in the ass. Fuck you. You piece of the... Who the fuck's shooting me? Piece of shit, that's not fair. I'm calling fucking bullshit. 3 fucking guys are left and... Oh, I get a still. Kill the bitch. Yeah, right. You're not good enough to escape my dick. There's a vet. Get him! Get him! Hope we win. Yay! If I become a zombie once again, I'm quitting this fucking game forever. I swear to fucking God. I swear on my mom. Going with me, ain't it? I got that feeling now. Nope. Any bitch come up here, I shoot him. Haha, bitch. That's right. I feel like all you niggas are my enemies. Any bitch you wanna fight, I'll shoot this gun up their ass. I'm gonna give your mama a cum shot tomorrow. Yeah, I'm talking to you out there. I'll fill her up. Then ditch her on the side of the road because I'm not gonna take care of her. I'm gonna ditch her. Come on, somebody. Who the fuck even is the zombie? And you fucked up. And he's even trying to get the fuck. What the fuck is the point of this scope? There's 2 fucking zombies and I haven't seen fucking 1. I swear on my mom. I swear on my mom. I better be like the 5th person to die. Don't come the fuck up here. Move your ass! You're gonna get me the fucking killed. For the love of God, move. I wanna fuck your mom on the ass. Then ditch her. Oh, fuck yeah. fuck off. Can't jump up that high. Damn, you're not just a lucky motherfucker. Put your fucking mom on the ass. Hey, I was the last guy. I did it. I still have tears, better find me. You're going with me. You should tell who's fucking. Oh, fuck. I know I could do this easily now. Because there's a fucking trick to it I just fucking learned. Oh, that bull. That's totally shit. Bull. I'm white. And you're trash. So this bit of zombies. Where the fucking god? You piece of shit. Soon, I might just kill myself. Holy fucking shit, I cannot make that fucking jump. Holy fucking shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me. If you ever have kids, don't forget, you can always get rid of them. Those bitches can actually. We're gonna stand here. I'm gonna see how long I want to do this. Oh, fuck. Okay, now I'll help. Oh. Fuck. I think I'll just go back to the teabag thing. Nope, never mind. Everyone's just swarming him. Yeah. Everybody do the dance. Dun, 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 dun.